Hi guys, welcome to Biker 1K. So you find me today on the sunniest Sunday of the year. So I'm going to do a crazy thing. I'm going to wash a black bike in the direct sunlight. I'm not going to use any fancy shampoos or anything like that. I'm going to use an old car dealer trick that I was taught many years ago, and I'm going to use Johnson's baby shampoo. And that's all I'm going to use. I'm not going to use any fancy products. I'm just going to use an old sponge, a couple of drying cloths to dry it off. I have taken some before and after pictures for you. So you can see how dirty she is. That's a couple of weeks worth of commuting for me. In here I have just a bucket of warm water, nothing else in it, as you can see. I haven't got a jet wash. All I've got is a garden hose, and it hasn't even got a fitting on the end. Alright, a quick glance around the bike. You can see how dirty she is. Alright guys, so let's see how we get on with that then. I'm going to put you on time lapse. You don't want to watch me washing a bike. It's not an idea on how to wash a bike. It's just, can you use baby shampoo basically. Listen guys, if it's good enough for a baby, surely it's good enough for a bike. Right then guys, so there's the Johnson's baby shampoo. It's not a measured experiment, look. I'm just going to sprinkle some in. Quite a bit, to be fair. That's enough. As you can see, there's no bubbles. Oh, that's hot. As you can see, there's no bubbles. It's too hot to agitate. But once I put the hose in it and agitate it, baby shampoo's in there. It's just a cold water tap. And we've got a load of nice bubbles already. If you put your hand in the water, it feels really lubricated, oily almost, and it smells like a baby. Happy days. Can you wash a bike with baby shampoo in direct sunlight? The answer is resounding yes, you can. Right, that's it for the video this week guys. Thanks for watching, hope you liked it. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you're one of the new subscribers, I get new subscribers pretty much every day now, so if you're one of the new subscribers, welcome, great to have you on board. Don't be shy, come and say hello, put something in the comments. I respond to all the comments eventually. Next week I've got a bit of a look back 5,000 mile video. Hopefully we can get that done. It's going to be quite a long one. Alright, again, thanks for watching guys. It's great to have you on board. Stay safe, I'll see you next week.